In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers from Mailerlite. Whether you're backing up your audience, migrating to another tool, or preparing a report, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish clearly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Mailerlite. On the results page, look for the official Mailerlite website and click through. Be mindful of ads or lookalike links and head straight to the main site. Once you're there, click Log In and sign in as you normally would. After you've landed in your account, go to the Subscribers tab in the main menu. This is your hub for managing and exporting your audience. You'll notice that the default view shows active subscribers. If you need a different category, such as unsubscribed, bounced, or spam complaints, use the drop-down next to the active subscribers label to switch views. Choosing the right category ensures you export exactly the group you intend to analyze or archive. Next, decide who you want to export. If you only need specific people, check the boxes next to their names. This is useful when you're assembling a targeted subset. If you want the entire list, click the checkbox in the header row to select everyone on the page, and then choose the option to select all subscribers in the list. That second click extends the selection beyond the current page, which is important if your list spans multiple pages. Before exporting, click the Toggle Columns button. Make sure all the fields you need, such as name, company, or any custom fields, are visible. Mailerlite only exports the data from columns currently displayed on the screen, so this step ensures nothing essential is left out and nothing unnecessary is included. It's a good moment to quickly scan the list and confirm you're collecting the right data. When you're ready, click the Actions button and choose either Export CSV or Export CSV for Excel. Both options produce a CSV file, but the Excel version is tailored to open cleanly in spreadsheet apps. Pick the one that best matches the tools you use. Now, wait while Mailerlite processes the file. You'll see a notification when it's ready. Click Download to save it to your device. For easier retrieval later, save it in a clearly labeled folder and consider a file name that includes the date and the category you exported. That's it. You searched for Mailerlite, logged in, navigated to subscribers, selected the right audience, verified your columns, exported to CSV, and downloaded your file. You're all set to use your data wherever you need it.